Morning students. Yesterday we had done the questions related to the concept of increase and decrease percentage. Today we are starting with the concept of discount. Now what is discount? Discount is actually the reduction on the marked price of an article. Marked price is the price which is listed on that particular article, on that particular object. Discount is generally given to attract the customers to buy goods or to promote sales of a good. Mark price is sometimes called list price. Discount क्यों लगाया जाता है? To buy goods, to attract the customers to buy goods. And mark price is the list price. Now how will you calculate the discount? Discount is mark price minus selling price. If an object is having mark price 500 and that is sold for rupees 450, then the discount will be 500 minus 450, that is 50 rupees. We can find out the mark price if selling price and discount are known. We can find out the selling price if mark price and discount are known by the formulas. These one. Okay, so mark price is equal to selling price plus discount. Selling price is equal to mark price minus discount. We can calculate by transposing one thing or the other. So we have calculated discount. Now how will you calculate the discount percentage? Discount percentage can be calculated by dividing discount with the marked price into 100. I was giving you an example of 500 rupees and selling price was 450. So discount was of 50 rupees divided by marked price which was 500 into 100. So these values give you the discount percent of 10%. So we can easily find out the discount percent as 10%. Now further, what is the relationship between cost price, selling price and marked price? Marked price and selling price. When we apply discount on the marked price, we get selling price. And when the person get loss or gain on selling price, that can be helpful in finding out the cost price, or you can find out the selling price with the help of gain and loss occurred on the cost price. Okay. Now how will you come to know whether a person is having loss or profit? For that, you firstly need to find out the cost price and selling price. For example, this person is purchasing something from the shopkeeper, and if the cost price is the price on which the shopkeeper has purchased the thing, if the cost price is equal to the selling price, जितने पे उसने परचेज किया उतना ही उसने selling price के दे दिया, then the shopkeeper is in a no profit no loss situation. And if his cost is more than the selling price, then the shopkeeper has the loss is equal to CP minus SP. For example, उसको cost है 500 और उसे 450 में सेल करना पड़ा, then he will have to face the loss of 50 rupees. If the cost price is less than the selling price, that means cost कम है and selling price is more than the cost price, then the shopkeeper will get a profit SP minus CP. We can find out SP with the help of the gain and loss formulas, that is CP plus gain will be equal to SP and CP minus loss is also equal to SP. How will you find out the percentage? This is calculated on the cost price. Gain percent is equal to gain upon CP into 100 in the case of gain, and in the case of loss it is loss upon CP into 100. It is always calculated on CP. That's all for the day.